Let's start with the prayer. Please close your eyes. Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you.
Amen. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Listen here. Listen. Okay. Good afternoon. Last class, we discussed the shapes, the solid shape and the flat shapes. And flat shapes are, which are the flat shapes? Anaya, only Anaya, unmute and tell me. Others, please be quiet. Which are the flat shapes?
Triangle, rectangle, square, circle.
Very good, Anaya. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
To the solid shapes. Adeline, tell me, which are the solid shapes? Others, please be quiet.
Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Both are given good answer. Okay, good. Very good, very good. So you already know about this. So these are the flat figures and solid figures. So using lines, we can draw this flat figures and solid figures. So before that, we have to know what is a line. Before that line, we have to know what's a point. What's a point? We just started in the last class. What's a point? Sudhakirti, please unmute and tell me, are you remembering what's a point? What's a point? Anaya already tell the answer.
Dot.
It's okay, Sudhakirti. Mana, what is a point, Mana?
It's a dot.
Very good. Point is a dot. If it is simply a dot, we can say dot itself, or we can use that in English and all. After each sentence, we will put a dot, full stop. But in the case of max, that point comes to the other name, or point has another name. This dot has another name, that is point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. No need to take the notebook now. Listen first, understand it. I will tell you when you have to open the notebook. Now I am going to share the screen, so please listen. So here we are discussing. First of all, point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. I will write the spelling here. P-O-I-N-T. Point. As you already know, point is a dot. It is a dot. It's a dot. Point is a dot. Here also itself we can see dots. Here we can see. No need to write now. In the point, you can see one dot. Is, you can see one dot. After that sentence, you can also see one dot. How many dots are here there now? How many dots are there?
One.
There are 3 dots. So if dot came in the max, we call it as point. P-O-I-N-T, point. So a point is a dot. A point is a dot. And this point has no length, no thickness, no breadth. That means a point has no dimensions. It will tell us the position. Okay, and also we discuss how to name a point. Are you remembering how to name a point? We use the capital letters of English alphabet. Capital letters of English alphabet. Yes, Ayush. Yes, very good. Let me share the screen once again. So a point is a dot. A point is a dot. It has no shape, and we can use capital letters of English alphabet for naming a point. Okay, now let us see. You can see a dot or you can see a point on the screen. Now I'm going to give the name. Okay, I'm going to give the name X. This I can read point X. Point X. Now let us see another point. Let us see another point. Mohammed Rishan, can you see a dot? Can you see a point on the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Can you name? Can you name? See, we can give names to a point using capital letters of English alphabet. So which letter you are giving? Tell me louder.
Why?
Very good, very good. Y. You are giving the name Y. So
Ma'am,
you can read this point,
why?
point Y. Okay, point Y. Example for point. Tip of the pencil or tip of the needle, full stop. These
Right.
are examples for point. Please tell me louder, my dear.
Right.
Please tell
Can
me
we
louder.
write?
Who is calling, ma'am? Please tell me louder.
Can we write?
No, no, ma'am will tell you. Ma'am will tell you when you have to write. Okay, that time we will use,
Okay,
open
ma'am.
the notebook. Okay, no need to write now. Let me share the screen once again. Now, so here you can see point X, point Y. Now, Karthik, please unmute. Name this point, Karthik. Karthik, please give name to this point. Any letter of capital letter of English alphabet. Tell me one letter. Karthik, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we tell one question one more?
You can see a point here, no, on the screen. Karthik,
Yes.
please name the point. How we will give the names to a point? We will put capital letters of English alphabet. Here you can see point X. Here you can see point Y. Give one name to this one. Here you can see a point. Give name to this point. Any letter of English alphabet.
A.
Very good, very good. You are giving A. So we can read this point A.
A.
Point A. Now it is clear point. Now it is clear point. Point is a dot. Point is a dot.
Dot.
And name a point using the capital letters of English alphabet. Okay, very good. Now let us see the next one. That is line. L-I-N-E. L-I-N-E. Line. What is a line? Now next we are going to see what is a line. See, I am putting a point here and putting a point here. Here also points are there. Now I am connecting these points. Okay, connecting these points. What I got? What I got when I connect the points? I got a line.
Line.
Here it is not a line, we can say line segment. But if we are extending its endpoints on both sides, now it became line. Now it became line. So what is a line? Line means collection of
Dot.
collection of what? Can you tell me collection of what we
Dot.
connect here?
Dot.
Dot. Instead of
Dot.
dots, which word we can use here?
Point.
Points. Very good. So we can say collection of points. Collection of points. In A S T R A I G H T street. Collection of points
Collection of
in a
points
street
in a
path.
street.
Collection of points in a straight path. We call it as line. Collection of points in a straight path. Hyan, please tell me what is a line? What's a line?
Collection of points.
Collection of points in a straight path. Collection of points in a straight path. We call it as line. Ayush, what is a line? Ayush, what's a line?
Points in a street.
Collection of what? Points. Collection of points in a straight path. We call it as line. Now, what is special about the line? Here you can see there are no end points. There are no end points. That means you can see two arrows here. You can see two arrows here. What is the meaning of these arrows? We can extend its length on both sides. Okay? We can extend its length on both sides. When we draw the number line, we also put the arrows on both ends. Are you remembering? When did we do the addition and subtraction on number line? We draw the number line, and in the number line, there are no endpoints. We put arrows at both ends. That time also we discussed that it can extend on both sides. There is no endpoint. Okay, that is a speciality of line. What is the speciality of line? Line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints. And what's the next one? We can extend. We can extend its length. On both sides. On both sides. What is the meaning of this? I can extend both sides. That means I can add. This is also a line. Okay. So line means it's a collection of points. Line means it's a collection of points in a straight path. It has no endpoints.
We can extend its length or
what is a line?
both
What is
sides.
line, Meghadesh? Listen here. What is a line? Repeat after me. Collection of points. Collection of points. Meghadesh, tell me. Collection of points.
Collection of points.
In a straight path. In a straight path. Very good, very good. Collection of points.
Collection of points.
Line. I will repeat once again. Listen here. Collection of points in a straight path.
Collection of points.
Line. What is special about the line? Line has no endpoints. It will extend on both sides. It has no endpoints. Extend its length on both sides. Example, number line. Okay, I will share the screen once again. Now, let us see how we will name it. How we will name it. See, this is a line. How we can understand it's a line? There should be two arrows. Okay, and 2 points on the line are A and B. A and B are 2 points on this line. So this line We can read as line AB and we can write as shortly we can write the letter AB and above this AB is small line. What is this? How we will read this? Line AB. Line AB. If I wrote, how we will read this? What is this? Prarthana, can you tell me? What is this?
Line
Line.
Line XY.
Very good. Line XY. Now another one. What about this? Agnes, what about this? How we will read? Line.
Line PQ.
Very good. Line PQ. Line PQ. Now another one. How we will read this? How we will read this? Rihan Hanifa, what you can see on the board? Or how we will read this? Line.
Line.
Uh,
Line.
which are the letters? Line.
What?
B.
AB.
Line.
Line.
B.
No.
Okay. Now.
Not point. Line AB.
AB. Very good. Example for line, number line. Or railway track. Railway track is also an example. Or road. A road is another example. So, what is a line? Collection of points in a straight path. Now, please listen here. Arati, what you can see on the board? Can you tell me what is on the board?
Point X.
Louder.
Point S.
Very good. Point S.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Anaya, please tell me what is this or how we will read this.
Line LM.
Very good.
LM.
Line LM. Line LM. Junaita Joshi, please tell me what is this. Junaita, what is this?
Point B.
Very good. Point B. Point B. Maithili, listen here. What about this? How we will read this? Maithili, how we will read this? Line. PR. Line. Clear. Is it clear? Line and points. Line and point. It's clear. Line. Clear. Now let us write in the notebook. Let us write in the notebook. All of you, please take the notebook. Please take the open the page. The first page you can leave and the second page you can start.
Ma'am.
Yes, please tell me, my dear.
What? Ma'am, writing notebook. Right, ma'am. Ma'am, it's notebook.
You can use the new notebook. Those who have max notebook, you can write in that. Those who don't have, write notebook. Later you have to copy the notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, it's book.
Square book, square line book,
Huh?
square line book,
5-line book.
square line book. Last year we used no square line book, the same type of book. Okay. Now we can start. C S A P T E R. What is this?
Chapter.
C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter. Chapter 1.
Chapter 1.
Chapter 1. C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter 1. All of you have completed chapter 1.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now let us write the name of the chapter. Okay. And what's the name of the chapter?
Point.
No. Name of the chapter.
Line.
Chapter is S. Very good. Very good. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Make this right. Chapter 1. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Chapter 1. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Shall we move to next line? Abhinav MP, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed chapter 1 and sheets.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have the first point, that is point. P-O-I-N-T. Points. And underline word points. P-O-I-N-T. P-O-I-N-T. Point.
Chapter 1 shapes.
Chapter 1. Shapes.
Now put a small hyphen. Put a small hyphen. Now we are defining points. Edel Maria, what's the point?
It's a dot.
Very good. Good girl. Now let us write. A P O I N T. A point is a dot. Is a dot. P O I N T. Point. A point is a dot. P O I N T. Points. Point means it's a dot.
Ma'am.
Point is a dot. You have completed. Now below that sentence, you put a point. Put a point. And write the capital letter B. Krishnapriya, tell me what you can see on the board. Or can you read this? What is this in green color?
B.
Is it P or B?
B.
B. How we will read this?
Ma'am,
In front of this capital letter B, you can
ma'am,
see.
I have a conscience problem and I cannot see the board. What will write?
Please listen. If you can't see, I think some network issues may be there. Okay. So please check it. So here you can see a dot, and near to that dot you can see capital letter B. So we read as, what we will read?
Point B.
Very good. Read as point B. Read as point B. Read as point B. Now let us write one example for points. Let's write one example for points. EG dot, that means example, one example. One example. Pointed end of a pencil. You have pencil now. Its pointed end is an example for a point. Pointed end of a pencil. Pointed. 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 ENG. Ends. Pointed ends of a pencil. Pointed end of a pencil. Pointed end of a pencil. Adinath, show me your pointed end of a pencil. Which is the pointed end of your pencil? Ah, yes, very good. So that is a point. If you put on a paper, you will get a point. Yes, Adinath? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So point means a dot. Pointed end of a pencil, full stop, tip of the needle. These all are examples. Pointed end of a pencil. All of you have completed. Shall we move to line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you please complete it.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Please. Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you can see, no?
Okay, ma'am.
And next we have line. 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 Underline the word line. 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 Put a hyphen. Line. Line. Now let us define the word line. The 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 collection. 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 The collection of Collection. The collection of the collection of what?
Points.
Points. Points. The collection of points. 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 The collection of points.
Points. The collection of points.
In. The collection of points in.
Straight path.
Very good, very good. The collection of points in a straight path. STRAIGHT. Straight. You may be heard about straight road. The collection of points in a straight path. 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 Collection of points in a straight path. The collection of points in a straight path. is the collection of points in a straight path is CALLED, called. What we will call? A line. What spelling line? LINE. Line. The collection of points in a straight path is called a line. The collection of points in a straight path is called a line. We will continue the next class, okay? So we discussed today point and line. Point means it's a dot. Point means it's a dot. It has no length, no shape, no thickness. Or you can say it has no dimensions and position, and we use capital letters of English alphabet for naming a point. And next we discuss line. What's a line? Line is a
Collection
collection of points in a straight path.
in a straight path.
Collection of points in a straight path. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you for joining.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. See you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.